blowing in the direction that would lead to Syracuse getting a lot of snow right now. Josh is out on the weather deck now. Josh?
I can almost hear the winter enthusiasts, Matt and Megan, in Syracuse saying, we want that. We want that snow. Bring it here. Because we just have that trace to like a light coating for the past 24 hours here on the weather deck anyways. And at my house, too. Maybe your house a little bit less, a little bit more. But yes, the cold and the wind are the top weather stories tonight in central New York. Let's talk about the wind gusts first because they've been strong. Look at this map here. We've had gusts up by Watertown today near 60 miles per hour earlier today, and that's enough to cause tree damage and power line damage as well. But right now the gusts up that way 36 miles per hour. In Syracuse is 25 miles per hour, not as high, but still gusty. Skinny Atlas at 29 miles per hour. Rome at 33. So we have the wind going on. I got the earmuffs on, the gloves. If you're going out, you're going to probably need them as well. Lake effect snow warnings continue now until 7 o'clock tomorrow. Jefferson, Lewis, Oswego counties. The snow band staying mostly right in this area here, kind of overlapping all three counties at times. And winter weather advisory, northern Oneida County until 1 o'clock tomorrow. But at times, that wind causing blowing snow and icy roads at times, too. We got double lake effect going on. Lake Ontario snow band, Lake Erie snow band, where we just showed you that video south of Buffalo. I'm going to focus in on the one closer to home here. Near Watertown and just south, the northern edge of the band happening right now, cutting through Lewis County, Lowville, through Sandy Creek, down 81, just north of Hastings, kind of brushing Oswego right now, and a little bit of the snowflakes flying across Onondaga County. We're talking about this last night, coming in all the way from Lake Erie. That's how strong the winds have been in the atmosphere. Air temperatures right now are in the 20s, so we're all below freezing. Any roads, parking lots, sidewalks, decks that are not treated could be icy. Just treat it and assume it is icy. And then the wind chills, the real feel, why I have the gloves on, why I have the earmuffs on. It feels like low and mid-teens around the area. Look at that, Binghamton, it feels like 6. Saranac Lake, it feels like 5 degrees. Futurecast models showing the snow band, staying mostly north, kind of snaking along like my arm motion here, little subtleties of the winds. Then eventually they go a little bit west-northwest. And eventually tomorrow night, it may come into Syracuse later on, but maybe just hang north of the Onondaga-Oswego County border. And then eventually it will be kind of sprayed over us in a much weaker state. And with temperatures, though, in the teens, that's not great for, again, icy potential on roads and surfaces. All right, not much snow expected here in Syracuse next 24 hours. We're focusing up north. Jefferson County in the red, you can see upwards of a new foot of snow by 7 p.m. tomorrow. That little target bullseye of pink, Barnes Corners, Worth, maybe near Copenhagen, could see upwards of another 2 feet on top of what's already fallen. Oswego County in the white, maybe 6 inches or more. The blue would be 3 inches or more. All right, 7-day forecast here. 20s tomorrow, air temperatures, wind chills in the teens. At times, some sun will be out, some flurries floating through. Saturday looks quieter, less windy. 30s looks good for the SU men's basketball games. Sunday looks drier. Both days look good for holiday travel weather if you're doing some gift shopping. And then next week, we warm up in the 40s, near 50, with some rain back in the air to help melt the snow again. Outside, Stanley Lost Skywatch, Regency Tower view. It's cold, dark, it's windy. The visibility here in Syracuse is pretty good, but not so much up north, Oswego and Jefferson counties. Back inside.